This is ABC 7 News at 11, your Suncoast News. We're here for you.
Good evening, I'm Haley Wilgus. Thank you for joining us. First tonight, 15,000 property owners in Sarasota County received some good news this week. They find out they are not in a FEMA high-risk flood zone after all, and that means their insurance rates should go back down and their property will then be easier to sell when the time comes. ABC 7's Ray Collins joins us with more on this story. And Ray, why did FEMA experts change the maps twice just this year?
Yeah, Haley, state and local experts convinced the federal agency they weren't following their own standards. Who can forget these workshops earlier this year? Hundreds of people came out to see if their properties were in FEMA's new flood zones. Many walked away unhappy, including Willie Tucciaroni of Sarasota.
Insurance went up real bad, because we were in a flood zone.
He figured that ditch across the street that's never flooded in his 35 years living here must have caused the problem.
It's never been over full.
But here's the good news. FEMA has issued revised maps again that reduce the number of high-risk property owners in Sarasota County from 43,000 down to about 28,000. So what happened? Sarasota County's stormwater manager, Molly Williams, says they teamed up with city and state agencies to point out to FEMA that they weren't following their own rules when it comes to areas that flood 1 foot or less.
It actually was FEMA's own standard of mapping that we just asked them to adhere to.
So FEMA in effect said, oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Yes. That's what happened.
I was actually surprised that they made it so easy and did it without a fight.
Joe Murphy is a local realtor who says he could have lost business when his clients were suddenly in a floodplain.
Absolutely. For home buyers, flood insurance affects the cost of home ownership. So, for more entry-level homes or areas that are in flood-prone areas, that cost of flood insurance can really affect how much they can afford.
So Joe's happy, and so too is Willie. So you weren't in the floodplain, and then for a little while you were, and now you're not again.
Right.
Is your head spinning?
Yeah. They never know what they're going to do.
Thank you, Willie. Now, realtors like Joe Murphy say the top 3 questions they're asked about are alligators, hurricanes, and flood zones. Very important to realtors and buyers and sellers, Haley.
That's Florida for you. So, Ray, of those 15,000 no longer in the high-risk zones, are all of those all over spread out in Sarasota County?
Yeah, all across the county, but a large number, about half, in fact, are in Northport.
All right, a lot of people breathing that sigh of relief. Thank you, Ray.